Leetcode problem 2091, removing minimum and maximum from array. So we are just giving an array nums with distinct integers, and we want to get the maximum value and the minimum value. With us, we can remove the numbers from both sides, I mean from the left side and the right side. We want to calculate what is the minimum remove time for us to remove such numbers. If we were to remove 10 from the left side, we're going to remove 2 and then remove 10. And from the right side, we're going to remove 6, 8, and 1. So it's going to be 5 times. Let's check the second example. The second example, it had better to remove from the left side. We can remove this one, and this one. So we're going to need 3 times. So similarly, for some numbers, maybe we can remove from the right side. So there are only 3 cases, and we need to analyze all of them. And for nums 1, as you can see, the maximum and minimum is both 101. We just need to remove them for 1 time. Now let's just start coding. And this problem is going to be easy. We can use the greedy idea, but it's not exactly the greedy because it's really easy to analyze all the cases. Let me prepare the length of the nums. It should be the nums should be n, and then we're gonna use so let me use the maximum number as mx, and mn is the minimum number. So it's gonna be the max of nums and the minimum of nums. Because this maximum and minimum is unique and it is inside of the array nums, so we can use the index I and j to check the maximum index and minimum number index. So we can use the nums dot index with mx. So this is going to be the maximum, and similarly nums index should be the mn. It's going to be the minimum. So we check the maximum and minimum index. Finally, we just need to return 3 cases. So I'm gonna return the minimum of both left and right. So how those 3 variables are calculated? Let's first just begin with the left. So the left would be the maximum of I plus 1 and j plus 1. As you can see from here, so for this example, this I and j, so the maximum would be if we delete from the left side, so it's going to be the I plus 1 and j plus 1. If we delete from the right side, similarly, it's going to be the maximum of n minus I and n minus j. So for example, if this j equals to n minus 1, it is here. If we need to delete this 5, so n minus 1 is going to be 1, so it is 1. So if it is n minus 2, so it's going to be 2. So this is from the right side. Now we need to calculate from the both sides. It means from the left and right. So for here we're going to use this I and j. So let me just use n. Let me prepare. For the both, let me prepare a temporary library variable. I'm gonna use the result. So I'm gonna check how many numbers between this 10 and 1. As you can see, there are 3 numbers, and how it is calculated, I have to check. So I minus j minus 1 if I more than j. This is j. Else it should be j minus I minus 1. Because I don't want to get the negative values, I should always use the bigger value minus the smaller value. Here I need the index. So I have to check if this index I more than j, and else it's gonna be j minus I minus 1, and the both side is just n minus result. So this is the entire code, as you can see from here. We just need to analyze how to solve it in 3 different cases, and then just check if it works. As you can see, it works, and the time complexity is just O(n). Thank you for watching. See you next time.